Samak Chawal, the fasting staple that isn't quite rice but wears the crown anyway. Samak Chawal, the go-to grain during Navratri, Ekadashi and other fasts when grains and lentils are off limits. You see it in your khichdi, pulao, kheer even. It's light, it's fluffy and safe, importantly, for fasting. But what exactly is this fasting rice and does it deserve its hype? Here's the truth. Samak Chawal isn't rice. It's Barnyard millet, a small round seed from a wild grass. It's not exactly a millet even. It's a millet kind of. Think of it like a pseudo cereal. Not a true cereal grain like wheat or rice. But it's been around in India for centuries. It's mostly grown in dry, tough soils because it's hardy and fast growing. Practical, yes. Glamorous, not so much. Now let's talk about nutrition. Samak Chawal is mostly carbohydrates, about 70 to 75%. Energy in a simple, digestible form. But here's where it's better than white rice or sabudana. It has more fiber, slowing digestion, helping you feel fuller longer and also feeding your gut. Does it have protein? Well, it's modest, around 7 to 8%. Not a muscle builder, but better than, of course, your sabudana or polished rice. It carries, however, decent amount of micronutrients like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, B vitamins. All these tiny micronutrients make it a win. And it's also gluten-free and hypoallergenic. A huge plus if your fasting rules out wheat or other allergens. What about glycemic index then? Well, it's about moderate to high, lower than sabudana or white rice, so it won't spike your blood sugar like those two, but diabetics should still be cautious. So what exactly is Samak Chawal's real strength? It's tradition. It fits fasting rules perfectly. It's not a wheat, it's not a rice, it's not a pulse. It's light, it's pure, it's Saatvik. It digests easy, it cooks fast and pairs beautifully with peanuts, potatoes, ghee, yogurt, balancing your carbs with fat and protein. So, is it a superfood? No, not really. But it's a solid, practical and culturally beloved fasting staple. It's not magic, it's not a miracle. Just a humble seed that's fed generations of humans, especially Indians. It's carried the fasting traditions and, of course, earned its place on the plate as well. So go ahead, enjoy your Samak ki khichdi, celebrate the tradition, respect the science, and remember, it's carbs with a little extra care. That's about it.